How to make $1,000 a day with just your smartphone. And this is gonna blow your mind, okay? It's a super easy way to make $1,000 a day. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tony Swedberg. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. This is gonna blow your mind, okay? It's a super easy way to make $1,000 a day, okay? I'm gonna be there very soon, and I want you guys to be on your way as well. How are we gonna make it? That's a lot. That's a big picture. Well, you gotta break it down. It's kind of like all those mentors and stuff, how they're like, yeah, you wanna make 100 grand, whatever, a year, break it down, you know, 300 bucks a day, 9 grand a month. That's what you gotta do. Okay, if I told you guys right now, imagine I make $1 a day on each one of my videos. Would you jump out of your seat? Would you be like freaking out, like $1 a day? No way, man. No, you wouldn't. That's the thing. Okay, so $1 a day, 30 bucks a month on each video. You can make some pretty crappy videos and make $1 a day. I'm sure you believe that, right? It's pretty believable. It's true. Okay, well, this is what you do. If I make $1 a day, that's 30 bucks a month, okay? If I make 1,000 videos, that makes me $1 a day. Guess what? 30 bucks a month. Each video, 1,000 videos, that's $30,000 I'm making off 1,000 crappy videos. Obviously, you want to make some good ones. You can get there a little bit quicker. But now, come on, it's opening your mind. What can you do? What can you start videotaping? I think stuff at work. You know, maybe you don't like your job. Well, guess what? Now you're going to like it. You're going to have another reason. It's going to be your side hustles involved. Take out your iPhone, just like I'm on right now. I built my whole channel off of my iPhone. I literally just would go outside, I'd sit in a car, I was a car salesman, and I would teach people how to sell cars and like maybe talk about my day and stuff. So that's what you guys got to do. If there's anything that might get searched a lot, like if you're selling homes, doing real estate, if you're selling cars, the brand new cars you could talk about, anything that gets searched a lot. If you're doing phones, brand new iPhones, anything like that. Or if you don't have anything like that, go to the store, buy the brand new product that's hot, you know, review it, right? You can put the link below. You go on Amazon Associates, they give you a link, and then you go, hey guys, if you guys like that product, you know, the link's below. It's the Amazon link where the best price is, no surprise, but go check it out. When they click that link, you don't only get credit for if they buy what you just reviewed, but you get credit for anything they buy the next 24 hours. So that's just another way to make some money. But imagine $1 a day. You just got to make 1,000 videos. And guys, you're like, oh, 1,000 videos, that's a lot. Yeah, it's like 3 videos a day for like a whole year pretty much, but 30,000 a month, that's pretty insane. I mean, you're at the point where you're like, hey, mom and dad, I'm gonna buy you a house kind of thing. So you're gonna be very wealthy, okay? Take that in mind, very, very wealthy. Okay, so that's awesome. Also, Google pays you. Google owns YouTube, so you get a check, you can buy a house, you know, it's all on paper. So it's actually a great job. YouTube's gonna be around for a while, I believe, but even if it's not, you know, you're putting your name out there, you're getting yourself out there, and people know who you are. So you just go to the next platform and people are gonna follow you and look for you and stuff. So that's how you make $1,000 a day with your smartphone, you guys. So comment down below. I wanna know any ideas that you could, like, you know, film, like everyday vlogs, or you could film this. Also, if you guys want some one-on-one training to start your channel, feel free to email me at tonyswedberg@yahoo.com. I would love to train you. I train a couple people so far. I do sales training, but I train a couple people with YouTube. They're starting their channel and they're taking off. I mean, I've got people up to 3,000 subscribers in just a couple months, way faster than I did it, because I learned a bunch of stuff and I just slowly learned. I wasn't a camera guy. I just kind of pulled out my iPhone and started. But listen, guys, take action. You're gonna love it, okay? Even if you don't want to be on camera, just videotape, you know, whatever you're talking about and then talk over it. A quick fun fact, the first video I ever made, I mean, it is a crappy video. I literally, good content, like good stuff I said, not good content, but like good value in the video, but like I hit play and you could go back to it, and I walked out, you know, and then started talking. Like if I screwed up during the video, I like deleted it and started again. I didn't know how to edit or anything on my iPhone. I literally stacked a chair, and then I had like, I think I had my, my laundry basket like upside down and then like put my phone there and had like a book holding it or something. Like, I just started. I was like, I'm gonna make a video today, and like that's how I started, guys. And listen, like I've grown so much. I'm at 250 videos. Once I get to 1,000, I know that I'm gonna be like making all the money just off videos sitting out there getting searched for forever, pretty much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please share this video with somebody. I think it's really gonna like blow their mind. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I won't let you down. I'll give you some real stuff, you know, just like I just told you. It's not like some fake go to door asking if they want to buy candy bars or something, but it's real stuff that you can do just with your iPhone. I got a bunch more stuff. If you guys want to see more of this, just comment down below. Let me know what you want to see.